WordPress includes a powerful editor to enter and manage your website's post and page content. The editor divides content into collections of discrete block elements, such as paragraphs, images, and videos. For this reason, it is sometimes called a block editor. The latest version of the editor was called Gutenberg when it was being developed. The previous editor was called the Classic Editor. Gutenberg replaced the Classic Editor when WordPress 5.0 was released on December 6, 2018. The editor works in the same way when composing content for posts and pages. There is a settings panel that covers the document level items. For example, the document's visibility, or its published date and time. Most document settings are the same for posts and pages. However, there are a few differences, such as categories and tags only apply to posts. The editor has an area to compose a title for the post, the same for editing a page. The body of the document contains the block content. This post has a single paragraph block. This page has paragraph and quotation blocks. There are many types of blocks for text, media such as images and video, and for layout. The blocks can be selected from a palette of blocks. Blocks are organized into various types. As you can see, there are many blocks available, and more can be added to your WordPress site from the open marketplace, both for free and paid. The paragraph block is one that you will use often. Its purpose is to manage a single paragraph. When you are editing a block, a toolbar appears at the top of the block. Toolbars have additional options for modifying and styling the content in the block, as well as positioning the block in the document. There is also a block settings panel. It reveals options that apply to the block being edited. Similar to the paragraph block, there is a quote block you might use for quotations. The block toolbar is the same as the paragraph block. The quote block settings choices are different than the paragraph block. Here is an example of an image block. The block toolbar and settings contain choices particularly tailored to images. The editor attempts to display the document as close as possible to what it will look like as a web page for visitors. You can look at the page in common device widths such as desktop, tablet, and mobile phone. Here's an example using the mobile preview option. However, you can preview a page that you are editing before publishing, as it will appear in your website. In this case, the document is then displayed with the other parts of the website, such as the header and the footer. The WordPress editor makes the process of composing web page documents as close as possible to a word processor, but retains the power and flexibility needed for publishing web page content. We will explore using the editor in other course lessons.